Recently made this slimline pencil from some walnut. Tree came down in a tornado about 5 years ago at our kids' school, and we thought it'd make a nice memento. Turned it down on my Shopsmith lathe. Made pretty nice, quick, easy work out of it. Sanded the wood down to 800. Then got out the micro mesh pads and sanded it to 12,000 before applying, I think, 3 coats of an AC finish. I'm going to try a new process where I put a little bit of polishing compound on it and got out my rotary buffer and buffed it right on the spinning lathe. Worked great. I'd love your opinion though. So tell me in the comments if you like the finished pen, what you think of my process, and take a second to like and subscribe. I really appreciate that. Thanks.